a Pontiac to check out, a unique specialty in classics. 1977 Pontiac Trans Am Tribute. Started life as an Esprit, according to the VIN number and the data tag. Now done up as a Trans Am. Brentwood Brown was the original color of this car. Has had a repaint along the way, and obviously the decals and whatnot put on it. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time looking through the engine bay, the underside, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Right close to 100 pictures of this car online. V8 power underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, also nicely equipped with power steering and power brakes. At the end of the video, we're going to pop the hood, check out the engine bay, start it up, let's hear it run. But first, keep walking around this car so you can kind of see it from every angle. In the still pictures, there's some blemishes in the paint. I did get those pointed out in the still pictures too. So not perfect, but a fun one. Get out and drive it, take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the driver's side, and once again, still pictures. You'll see this from every angle. uniqueclassiccars.com. Another spot I pointed out in the pictures, if you can kind of see that. A little touch up. Ding. Take a look at the interior. So bucket seat car, E51 code on the cowl tag. Center console. Take a look at the door cards, door panels, carpeting. Here's the front seats are probably reupholstered. So vinyl bucket seats. Take a look at the headliner. The tilt column. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Little aftermarket stereo system. Appears to be working. Power's up, but I've not had sound out of it. A few little cracks in the dash. Alright, we'll slip around to the back so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. So nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust or cam or anything wild like that. Alright, let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to pop this hood and take two hands. So give me a second. We'll check out the engine bay, wrap up this video. On the side of the hood. Power steering, power brakes. Get an idea how that runs. It runs pretty smooth. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. And once again, you'll be able to see every angle, engine bay, trunk, undersides, interior, every angle in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1977 Pontiac Firebird. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota. But the roads are dry today, so we're able to take some driving video time for you. This car has the shaker on the hood, the bird on the hood. One thing it's not working in is the tachometer. Speedometer works. Oil pressure is about 60, the water. Temperature's in the middle of the gauge. Our wipers are working. Fuel gauge reads a quarter. The volts are reading almost 15, which is good. The retro sound style radio works well. This car drives good. Corners as you would expect. Let's get her up to speed. Smooth ride on the road. It goes nice and straight. The steering wheel is straight. It's a good looking, iconic car.